Hey, everyone! Welcome to my channel. If you're driving a Lexus NX and that pesky oil maintenance light just popped up on your dashboard, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to reset that oil maintenance light so you can keep your Lexus running smoothly. So, let's get started. On the first generation Lexus NX, you can reset the maintenance light by using the navigation button on the steering wheel. So the reset can be done as follows. Step 1. Press the start button twice to turn on the ignition. Step 2. Press the menu button on the steering wheel to enter the main menu. Step 3. Use the navigation button to highlight the small gear icon on your dashboard display. Step 4. Scroll down to Oil Maintenance and press the center button to select. Step 5. When a confirmation dialog appears, select Yes to confirm and you're done. On the second generation Lexus NX, you can reset the maintenance light by using the multimedia display. So just follow me along. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Tap on the gear icon on the left tab menu. Step 3. Scroll down and select Vehicle Customize. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on the utility. Step 5. See on the right side and tap on Schedule Maintenance or Oil Maintenance. Step 6. When a confirmation dialog appears, select Reset and you're done. So that's basically how you do it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy car maintenance tips. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.